Hello guys, in this video we are going to be looking at BODMAS or BODMAS. So what is BODMAS? So the B stands for brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, or it may say of. So I want you to pause this video and do this question, and if you're done you may play. So what is the answer? If you have found that your answer is 20, you are totally wrong. So here let's find the answer. So BODMAS, so the question is say 3 plus 2 times 4. So first of all you want to look at B. Are there any brackets here? No. Are there any indices here? No. Division? No. Multiplication? Yes, we have multiplication here. So we say 2 times 4, and 2 times 4 is equals to what? 8. So cancel this one and put our 8 here, and we are left with 3 plus 2, 3 plus 8. That is the addition, and there's no subtraction. So 3 plus 8 is equals to 11. So our answer is 11, not 20. Now let's look at another question. 20 minus 3 plus 2 times 3. So first of all, like this BODMAS, want to look at the brackets. Are there any brackets? Yes. So our bracket says 3 plus 2. So what is 3 plus 2? 5. So we cancel here and put our 5 here. So we are left with 20 minus 5 times 3. So now, do we have indices? No. Division? No. Multiplication? Yes. So our multiplication is 5 times 3. So what is 5 times 3? 15. We cancel here and put our 15 here. So now we are left with 20 minus 15. That is the subtraction. We do not have addition, so subtraction. So 20 minus 15, that is equals to 5. 20 minus 15, 5, 0. So our answer is 5. Now let's look at another question. Let's look at 3 plus 2 times 3 to the power 2 minus 3, close of brackets, divided by 5. So BODMAS. So brackets, yes, our brackets is 2. First of all, you want to change this one, the indices. So 2 times what? What is, these 3 are 2, so it's like this, 3 times 3. So what is 3 times 3? 9. Minus 3 minus 3. So do we have indices here? No. Division? No. Multiplication? Yes. 9 times 2 is equals to 18, and we are left with 18 minus 3. So 18 minus 3, 15. cancel here, write our 15 here. So we're left with 3 plus 15 divided by 5. So BODMAS, brackets no, indices no, division yes. So what is 15 divided by 5? 1, 3. So 3 here. So 3 plus 3 is equals to 6. Our answer is 6. Now let's look at another one. This is going to be difficult. So 10 plus 2 times 3 divided by 10 minus 2 to the power of 3. So first of all, you might say, Theo, there are no brackets here. So, but they are. So whenever the division line goes right across, it simply means there are brackets, because the whole of the top must be divided by the whole of the bottom. So the question will look like this: 10 plus 2 times 3 divided by 10 minus 2, 3. So first of all, here you want to calculate the top. So that's like this. Let's write top here. So that is 10 plus 2 times 3. So we want to look at it as BODMAS. So brackets no, indices no, division no, multiplication yes. So 2 times 3 is equals to 6, and 10 plus 6, 16, right? So the answer for the top one is 16. Now let's look at the bottom. The bottom is 10 minus 2. So let's look at it. Let's multiply this one. So 2 times 2 times 2. That is 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So let's write our 8 here. Because 2 to the power 3 is equals to 8. And what is 10 minus 8? That is 2. Now we need to divide. So our top is 16. We write our 16 here. Our bottom is what? 2. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 15, that is 8. So our answer is equals to 8. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you have not subscribed, and hit the bell icon so that I can send you a message whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching.